Kaya tayo, ba tayo kaya kami if ever is kamali, sayang man. Hindi, fine. Anyway, once again, good morning to everybody. Greetings. We are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness, to find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Sige po, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? At ako montra ato yung wedding apo? O one, let's continue. O sige, tadriki nga daw one. Ikaw ang Elvis, ikaw ang ni Clarissa, both hands. Harap kayo. Okay. Oh, Clarissa, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Iksaan niyo, tap ng mga. Okay. Elvis, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kayong dalawa, do you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Elvis, will you have Clarissa to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
Yes, ma'am.
Clarissa, will you have Elvis to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Di sing-sing, pakialan, and follow after me. Pauna ka, Elvis. Alam ni Iman ni Clarissa. Okay. I give you. Follow after me. Sabi mo, sasabihin ko. I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my vow,
of my vow,
and with all that I am,
with all that I am,
all that I have,
all that I have,
I honor you.
I honor you.
So, mo. Okay, Clarissa, follow after me. I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my vow,
of my vow,
and with all that I am,
and all that I am,
all that I have,
that I have,
I honor you.
I honor you.
Okay, so mo. O, tama sumama kay Toy for your parents. Adamat kay you wish kin payo dagiti kasal ma'am. Muna kay. Ay. Nabat may payo yu apo di or wish di kasal. Na do pagayo kinyo na duwa.
Ray Locanon, sir.
Bueno bali na mo.
Nakayo mo si pinagasat, nagtungtungan nyo. Nakayo si pagpipinagat nga pagkim na rin kari. At nuwaywanan nyo dagit yan na kayo. Data lang, sir.
Now,
One, sir.
awan. O, ito ba ngayon? So, wait, wait. Ano tarang namin test yung pagka or wish tagit kasal. Thank you, Baga. Thank you. Sumawa ka dyan likod. Nagiging ninong ninang king guest na naman kay Baga na naman tayo yung check sa kin wish.
So, iti may bagani. Salamat, iti ayat yu. Nagasawa, si Clarissa, iti anak na pagka iya may bagat lang, iti ako Diyos, iti hangunaan ko na ikadwayo, iti biyag yu, kami isu amin na plano yu, pagkagani kayo, pagka iba-ibatik, iti isang 119 verse 11, biyag na ipagtango na yu, ang basta na siya. Kapno, important iti ay niya, diyan na, kita din.
Thank you.
Tinagulang kumat na may baga, naman tayo ang makmat na hanggang tayo matintiyo sa mga edad. At siyempre, ano yung nagplano. Nung kayo makastada, matlagay yung may baga. Yung magbaga na pili. Natin importante, yung kasawa at yung nawatan ito sa amin. Tapi nung naman kita nga po sa akong pagtungtungan mga nasaya. Lagi dyan magti mayang pagpagada, kundi wala dapat tayo naman sa importante gawin din yung panagdalaw, pinatitiwas, kagantinan. Kung tayo panagi mo nga dangay lagi dyan, ibagatin na lagi dyan pakasal na nasaya, samayan, pamilya. Kalau kita buka, aduh dapat, jadi yang kita cuma ada yang kita buka.
Thank you.
Ilang may pagkakit bila kailangan kasawa pati pagmamayan di raksa.
Muna amin, kumain, pare, kumbaga hindi sa'yo, magmumuro na hindi meron sa'yo, hindi sa'yo. Naman may nga pagsubok, kanyayo, dahil lang ako maipipya, kung sa mga ngayon. Hindi lang yun.
Thank you. Nang?
Yang anak mesti masa mati ni paling ingai mana ada ingai pula ya kasawa pangarap sa kang manay adalah tayo tidak tinggal panubo itu dia akala kayo akan apa dia kita
Thank you.
Isa si kay kanang tamang kiniyon. Kaya isa nga rin si ang kayo kanang inayan ayat. At sigod ka kayo si nagbalin nga may nasang nabali na no adati yanay gagak may to adati dapat ang timesa masapol nga at pakada iti lakay na. Yung adyan iti kapanan ni lakay na ay nakalot nga lalaki at nakalaki ni bakit mo tatlo. Tapos hagak nga ba ito yung kanya niya si napanang. Dito na si may bala.
Thank you. Sumangkit na yun. Miss, ikaw hindi imanay na Clarissa, both hands. Patataman na Clarissa, kasa wife, anamat vows mo, kini Elvis. Baga mo. Kita macam mata nama mata
Today, it is my honor to become your wife. I give you my heart and I promise to encourage and inspire you to love and comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle. I promise to support your dreams and respect our differences. I promise to continue building our family together, celebrating our joy and strengthening our family's future. I vow to love you and cherish you for all days of my life.
Thank you. Elvis, kasagat na, anamat vows mo to your wife.
Sa mahal, at agyan man ako nga tulis pa pinpong ka tiget ko. Promise ko nga ayatin ka, suportahan ka
kadali anak ka, talaga kisuda. Aming desisyon ko para pag-desisyonan ka, pagsalitaan, mga naman ti pagkakabaan, mga natin kang panubok ibiyag, di karagdag rin niya ito Diyos pa, so ano di pagkamangan ka. Hindi lang na.
Sige, follow after me and this. Sabihin mo yung sasabihin ko. I hereby take you, Clarissa,
I hereby take you, Clarissa,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have
to have,
and to hold,
hold,
to be one of heart,
be one heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and health,
to love
to love
and to cherish
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we be together by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my son as well.
Say it lang, Clarissa. Follow after me. I hereby take you, Elvis,
I hereby take you, Elvis,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and
to love
in health, to love
and to cherish
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we be parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Okay? By the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Cuaresma III, Municipal Mayor from Bangor, Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have contracted and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Oh, sige. You may now kiss the bride.
1, 2, 3.
Ay, ada kamera yun. Sino natin? Picture nyo ba tayo yun? Sige, yung cellphone nyo. Ito mo yung cellphone mo na yun. Ay, oh, sige. Okay, ulit. Oh. Okay. Sige, ninong-ninang at witness kayo man at pirma na dyan for marriage certificate na apo tayo sango. Pagkakisyo niyo.
At ito pa kaano, sige siya kaan, sama ko lang ng mga hako kapit si Kuya. Apat. Hindi. Kaya. Please.
Picture tayo na ako para mo sa itugaw sa kumakas. Congratulations. Congratulations. Picture tayo. With the parents, pailang ako. Dito tayo. Parents. Tingnan nga. Sige. Okay. Sige, mana. Sweet.
And then smile.
Okay, o ninong-ninang. Ninong-ninang.
Smile.
Yung next. Okay na.
Yes po. Doon lang ako. Duwa kayo dyan. Ganda kayo. Smile.